Hello, welcome to another edition of Discount Donnie. I'm going to do a little demo on a couple items like the Be Pure soap thing, and I'm also going to do a demo on the hand wipe. So basically you turn on the water so you can see a little better. Get your hands wet, then you just grab one of the Be Pure strips. It looks like this. It came from that. You just put that in your hand, you lather it up. And a lot of people have said in the comments before on other videos that the Be Pure you need two. I only used one, and I've got pretty good suds on my hands, and it's doing a pretty good job. And you know, when you wash your hands, you're supposed to sing the happy birthday song. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. And then you rinse it out, and then you have nice, clean, wonderful hands. So now I'm going to do a demo on the big one to show you how big these are. These I got at Dollar Tree. They're $1.25 for 5. And then see, they're just a little tube the size of a silver dollar. You put it under water, it expands. And it's a very nice high quality. You could probably reuse these, but they fold out into these nice big long towels. These are beautiful. So these I use all the time. So if you're in a pinch and you don't have toilet paper, this is really easy to use. I like to use them when I'm out walking around. I'll wash my face with these when I come back to get the dirt off my face, especially if I'm traveling in somewhere that's real dusty. I also can use it to wash my hands with. You could use it in the shower. There's so many different things. You can get your makeup off with it. But the fact that it's a huge towel and it's high quality, it's wonderful. For $1.25, and I got 5 of these. So I'm going to use this later since I have it out. And I'll keep that on the side on the table here. Then I bought these small ones. It's like the size of a dime. These came from Walmart. There was, I think, 50. There was 50 of them in I think it was like $3. And they came from China. It says something about fish on it. But these are a lot smaller. And I think I bought 3 packs of these. They're a lot thinner, so it's kind of harder to take it apart, to open it up. You can probably leave it in this shape, which is kind of small. But when you open it up, it's nice, it's thin, but it gets the job done. So in a pinch, it doesn't take up that much space. But this is the full size. But as you can see, it's a little bit cheaper. It's not as nice as the other one. But in a pinch, this will work. You could use it for toilet paper. You could use it for cleaning your face. You can probably use hot water and use it like the steam, like you on an airplane and you fly first class, to give you to wipe your hands and stuff. So this is good for pretty much anything as well as that, but that's a lot bigger. So I definitely highly recommend both of these. When you're in a pinch, it doesn't matter how big or small. Anyway, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed that video.